Hey guys, this is Mark with Magnolia Oaks Woodshop, and today we're going to be talking about how to create multiple instances of the Lightburn software or any other software on both Mac and Windows. So this particular computer that we're looking at right now is my Windows desktop. And before we get started, I just want to talk about why you would want to open multiple instances of a software and what is that. So basically, when you open multiple instances of a software, it appears in different windows. And so what that gives you is the ability to run multiple jobs at the same time on the same computer to multiple separate lasers. So why would you care about that? Number one, it's going to be a lot more efficient to run multiple jobs at the same time. You can take advantage of all your lasers that are sitting there and have them run whatever jobs you want them to. And so sometimes it's not as easy to figure out how to do this. However, with Lightburn, it works pretty seamlessly. The process on a Mac is different from that we use on a Windows computer, but I'm going to show you both of those so you'll know, and hopefully this helps you in your business. So, first of all, if we want to open a new instance of Lightburn, all we'll do is just go over here to the Start bar, or I have mine pinned to the Start menu, and boom, we're there. So at this point, we're fully functional. We can open a project, we can import images, we can set up our layers, whatever we need to do. Now, on each instance of this software, you will have devices. So you'll have your lasers over here that you can select. So Lightburn can only be connected to one laser at a time in one window, one instance. So maybe I wanted to set up a job on my Xtool P2. I could do that here. And then maybe I want to set up also one on my D1. I could not do it in the same window, but what I could do is hover over that icon again, hold down the Shift key, and click it again. At that point, I've opened up another separate and distinct window that is running Lightburn. You can see it right here. So what I can do is I can have one job running here in this window, connected to one laser. I can have another job running in this window right here, connected to another laser. And then if I have, let's say I have 4 lasers. So I hold down the Shift key again and click the button, and I have a third instance. I actually have a 4th instance. So I click one time additional. So you can see the benefits of this. This allows you to be a lot more productive, a lot more efficient in your time, and be able to use all of your machines at all times running different jobs. Maybe you have different machines set up for different processes or products. That's how I have it, and so it's really helpful and handy to be able to do that. So on a Windows machine, Lightburn works flawlessly with multiple instances, and I'm going to show you how to do the same thing on a Mac. Okay, now we're over on my Mac laptop, and I have Lightburn down here. And again, same process to open the initial instance as on the Windows machine. You can see it opens up fine, and we don't have any issues there. So this is exactly like we do on the Windows computer. However, if we try to do the same trick where we hit Shift, click, you can see nothing happens. So what if we try to hold down the control key and click it? We don't get an option to run as a different user or anything. So what we have to do is a little hack. So what you want to do is you'll want to open the app called Terminal, and you'll search for that. I did that by hitting Command and Spacebar. And Terminal is basically like a DOS prompt, like we used back in the days on older computers. So what we have to do is we have to type a command here to be able to open the second instance. So we're basically forcing it to through the code in the system. So you'll go open-in-a, and then we'll go open quotes, and you'll do Lightburn. And the way that you know what to name it is you need to look at the name when you highlight it, so the L and the B are capitalized. So you'll do, and then end quote, and you hit enter, and you can see a new instance opens. And this is a true second instance. So again, on the Windows computer and on the Mac, you can open multiple instances. However, on the Mac, it's just a more manual process. And I'll put this code down in the description. But basically, if you want another one, you just copy it. Let's see. We'll do it again. And you can see it opens a third one as well. So again, this is super handy to be able to run multiple instances, so you can run multiple lasers, multiple jobs, save time, all on one computer. And so hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully it saved you some time. If you've got any thoughts or comments or feedback, I'd love to hear them in the comments. I reply to everyone. And again, this is Mark with Magnolia Oaks Woodshop. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.